Hi everybody, welcome to Phoenix English. In today's video, I want to give you some expressions that you will probably come across or hear or even use when you're starting in the business world. Like when you're starting a new job or you're starting your own business, hiring employees, and so on. So most of these expressions come from that situation, from that context. Okay? So we're going to start with get up to speed. So when you join a new company or a new office or whatever, you need to get up to speed. You need to find out what everybody's doing. Find out all the newest projects, all the newest developments, and make sure you're at the same place as all your coworkers. So here, speed doesn't necessarily mean like movement speed. It means like understanding what's going on, basically the pace of the work. So on a first day, obviously you don't know what everybody's doing. So you're a little bit behind. Once you talk to everybody, have a few meetings, find out all the projects, then you're up to speed. But it helps if you're ready to hit the ground running. So hit the ground running means start working right away from day one. It doesn't mean like, okay, spend a few days figuring out where the washroom is, where the coffee maker is. No. First day, start working on a project. Start meeting clients. Start doing what everybody else is doing right from the start. But most companies will understand that you will probably go through a learning curve. So even though you're ready to work and you're qualified, you have the training, you have the experience, there are things you're not going to know about the new place. And so, like, you're on a curve. This is how much you can do at the beginning. And as you go, you learn faster and you adjust quicker. You do the work much more quickly, right? And it helps if you can learn on the fly. So basically, hit the ground running means start working right away. But there's a lot of new things for you to learn. So you learn them on the fly. Learn them as you go. Like nobody's gonna sit with you and train you. You start working and then you're learning something as you're working it. And then learning something new as you're working it. And we use this a lot, not only in business context, even in other situations where you're learning something new, learn by doing it, not by being trained to do it. Learn the ropes basically means learn everything there is to know about the company, right? So learn the way they do things, the systems, the protocols, the dress code even. Everything that you need to know about working in a place is called the ropes. So you're learning the ropes. You're learning how to be a member of this team in particular. Then hopefully, when you come to a new office or a new job, someone will be there to catch you up. So you need to catch up to everybody else, but if somebody catches you up, it means they help you understand what's going on, right? So that person, gets you up to speed. Get someone up to speed, catch someone up. Same idea. From the ground up. So basically, not only do you need to learn your position and your job and what's going forward, you need to learn everything. So from the ground up basically means everything from the beginning, from the basics, to where you are, to where you're going, everything. Like the base is the ground up. Get on the same page. So right now, during your first few days working somewhere, there's going to be a lot of misunderstanding because, you don't really know what everybody's doing, what everybody's thinking, what problems they have had and fixed, etc. So if you're on the same page, it means you're at the point where everybody understands the exact same thing, right? You're on the same page. Everything they know, you know, and so on. We also use this to mean to agree with someone, right? In a different context. So if we have a disagreement, then we are going to have a little bit of a discussion so we can get on the same page. We can be in agreement. That's a different context, but the same expression. Get one's foot in the door. Now, right now, maybe you don't have a job and you're trying to get into a new company. So it's very difficult to get into a new position because nobody knows you. So you send your resume, a cover letter, maybe you make some phone calls. All you need is just a little bit of an opportunity, and from there, you'll be able to go and convince someone that they should hire you or they should have you in their company. But that little opportunity means you got your foot in the door. The door wasn't closed on you. Your foot is there. The door is open. Now you can walk in and do what you need to do and get the ball rolling. That's basically what it means to start. So get the ball rolling, start the process. Now, if you're coming to a new company, they will want you to start working on a new project. So they'll give you all the information, they'll give you a support team so they can get the ball rolling, get this project started. So these are the main expressions, and I put this one, it doesn't necessarily mean for beginning. This could be beginning, middle, or end, anytime. But you should try to go the extra mile. Do a little bit more than is asked of you, right? So by learning all these expressions and doing all these things, you're showing your new employer that you're willing to go the extra mile. Means you're willing to work harder and do more than what is actually necessary. And then you'll be in a very good position going forward and so on. Okay? Some good expressions. Make sure you understand them. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back next time. I'll give you some more very useful expressions. See you then.